There it is. Yes, I destroyed the belt on my test run, but sounds good. The old Progressive's working. Check it out. I had to, I broke the carbon seal in the turbo. So big shout out to these guys. G-Pop Shop from Arizona. I called them up. It was late, and I said, look, I just broke the carbon seal. I really don't need the rebuild kit because this turbo was rebuilt before. And they said, no problem, we'll just send you the carbon seal and you know, the spring and the washer and stuff. So I replaced the O-ring and the carbon seal, 24 bucks. Cost more to ship it because I wanted it 2 days so I can get it finished. But you just saw it, no smoke, it runs good. Spools up, great. So I got a few things to do. I've been working on my throttle cable. Bought some, what is this, picture stainless steel cord, wire, I guess. These crimps. Kind of don't like it, but it'll get right. It's in the beginning development stages, I guess you can call it. But I gotta tell you, man, I took it down the road and I got it second gear. I put a load on it and I looked down at boost gauge, said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 pounds I let out of it because I don't have the springs all out of here to regulate the boost. So it probably would have went to 15. I know I got this on the red car here, and it goes to 15 pounds with all the springs in it. So can't do that with this crank and you know, setup I got here now. But the Gambler might happen. Got some more tuning to do. It seems to be running fine. Like I said, the old Baja, old junk box. So I thought I'd just give y'all an update, let you know what I've done. I'm excited. I'm excited. The old turbo stalker is it's gonna turn some heads, I think. It impressed me already with the power it has. So, well, that's all for tonight. I got some work to do tomorrow. I gotta work on this throttle cable. I'm only getting 3/4 throttle, I think. So I'll work on that. I need to make a brace. It's kind of got some movement there. I got a few other things I got to do. I want to get a light bar, a 36-inch light bar, and put up there. Just because I think the Gambler, we're going to be out at night in the woods, and it'd be nice to see. What else do I have? I don't know. I got a few more things, but my list is not near as long as it was last week this time. So with that being said, everybody, running on 4 minutes here. I will give you an update probably tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Remember, like and subscribe and comment if you like. I like comments. Keeps me motivated. Later.